Nature in Motion is an intercultural exchange project for young Europeans. It took place from 2nd July to 16 July in 2022 in Spain and France in the region of Catalonia. 24 young Europeans came together for 2 weeks. The participants from each partner country met in the city of Terrassa, in Spain, for the first week. They then traveled to France to the village of Bolquère, located at an altitude of 1,500 meters in the Pyrenees. Throughout these 2 weeks of intercultural exchanges, sports activities and actions related to the respect of the environment were proposed. The participants made this video together.
What is our power to change the world for the better? How can we act when it comes to ecological commitment? As individuals, we often feel like a grain of sand in a littered desert. We don't realize the greatest impact that our actions have in the communities where we live.
Using public transport instead of cars or riding bikes, collecting trash even if it is not ours, buying second-hand clothes and items, collaborating with others with good actions and being active citizens within our community.
Not leaving our waste behind, reusing leftover foods in creative ways, not wasting water in unnecessary, consuming less meat and foods that require a lot of water to produce.
We are all capable of helping the cause against climate change and making a real difference in our environment. Our actions speak louder than our words and set an example for the generations to come.
Staying outside, it's a great thing. We can do a lot of activity and keep your body and your soul healthy. When you go outside, you have a lot of possibility for sharing memories and spend quality time.
There we have the chance to try out various sports such as hiking, volleyball, orientation, football, basketball and biking.
These 2 weeks made us feel connected with nature and ourselves more. We pushed our limits and stepped out of our comfort zones through all the activities we have done.
Harmony,
Emotion,
friendships,
Challenge,
adapting,
Save nature. Learn to be brave. Trees are our gems. Don't cut their stems. Treat animals with care, or your earth will be bare. You have brains, give them grains. You have money, give them honey.
You have a home, let them freely roam. Save the nature, save. Learn to be brave.
Imagine 25 people from 5 different countries living together for 2 weeks in 2 different countries in rooms of 10 and 12. Let's see how this turned out.
Where do we come from?
Where do we come from?
We come from Europe.
We come from Europe.
Mighty, mighty Europe.
Mighty, mighty Europe.
And if you can hear us,
and if you can hear us,
sing a little louder.
First, we thought it would be really difficult, but after the 2 weeks have passed, we overcome the challenges. We had to share our food, bathrooms, and living space in general. There were some problems that we had to solve, for example, different sleeping schedules, eating habits, music taste, you can imagine.
Living together doesn't limit only on living spaces, but also includes cooperation during activities. That's why we had to learn how to be more flexible and less single-minded.
So we're walking out in our house with our building up.
Yes. Raining so much.
Yeah, 5 people in one umbrella.
Every person had to equally give up something to make this work. These 2 weeks were not only about the problems, but showing our culture by playing international games, dances, and basic words in our languages.
We had the time to spend together, to get to know each other and create new friendships. During the intercultural nights, we had the chance to learn and understand the different cultures by animations and trying out our national dishes. From this experience, we learned a lot and we were bringing home unforgettable memories.
Interculturality for us is a mix of different cultures. It's breaking down stereotypes. We've shared thoughts and feelings about the world, its problems, and our cultures.
In Terrassa, we experienced a Catalan culture and traditions like correfoc, batucada, and castellers, human towers. We were there during the Festa Major, which is a celebration of the city.
We had the chance to share our knowledge with the others by doing different activities like singing, dancing, playing the guitar, well, music in general.
Each day a different country had to prepare the food of the day so we could taste national dishes. We also learned some dances.
Thanks to Erasmus+, we experienced the feeling of union without the border separating us, so we create like a family.
Tento projekt nám priniesol krásne spojenie cestovania a prírody, umožnil nám vidieť niekoľko miest v Španielsku a Francúzsku, spoznať tradície rôznych kultúr a vytvoriť si množstvo nových priateľstiev.
Moltes gràcies per aquesta experiència i l'oportunitat de conèixer noves cultures que ens ho hem passat molt bé.
Erasmus, c'est la rencontre de nouvelles personnes et une grande richesse interculturelle. C'est quelque chose à vivre.
Tenger, hegyek, remek eledelek, kedves emberek, s kedves emberekkel kellemes estek. Eme helyzetbe keveredve, fejem s lelkem eltelt nemes elvekkel. Rendes ember szemet eszed, ezzel szemben se lejtessek fej, szemetet elejt, s hencegve nevet. Ezen tettet megvetem, remek ember lettem. Yeah!
Ciao a tutti, siamo il team italiano e vorremmo ringraziare tutti coloro che ci hanno permesso di vivere questa opportunità e questa esperienza che ci ha insegnato tante cose che porteremo sicuramente con noi per il resto della nostra vita.
Io veramente ho apprezzato i giri che abbiamo fatto nella natura, le escursioni. È stata tosta a volte, però è proprio bello arrivare in cima oppure tornare a casa e sentire se riesci a fare qualcosa di grande. E anche l'orienteering all'aperto è stato molto bello, anche se ci siamo persi dopo pochi secondi, ma è stato bello.
Secondo me la parte migliore di questo programma è stato proprio il senso di esplorazione che ci ha dato la possibilità di scoprire il mondo, scoprire altre culture, girare 2 paesi diversi, la possibilità di stare insieme ad altre persone, capire e scoprire tante nuove cose grazie a loro e grazie alle attività che facevamo insieme.
È stato bello anche vivere insieme tutti quanti, quindi essere capaci anche di adattarsi alle esigenze altrui e non solo magari alle nostre. È stato bello anche cucinare per tutti quanti qui a Bolquère, ogni nazione, è stato molto molto divertente. E sì, dai.
Ci sta. È stato davvero pazzesco vivere questa esperienza con altri partecipanti provenienti da Spagna, Francia, Ungheria e Slovacchia, siccome si apprende molto dalle altre culture, dalle altre parole in altre lingue che sicuramente potremo utilizzare nella vita quotidiana quando si incontrano persone di quel paese. Vorremmo davvero ringraziare per averci dato questa opportunità. Ringraziamo l'associazione Jump in Italia, ringraziamo l'associazione Vibria di Terrassa e l'associazione sportiva di Perpignan. Grazie.